Hello, I'm Valber from KBC Parajuru. This is our place. Welcome to it. We might have everything you might need, from flat water lagoon, wave spot. Now you're getting really good into wing foil as well. And yeah, life is better on the beach.